Hello and welcome to Control Code Art. I'm Julian and I'm a software engineer. And if you're anything like me, you probably learned or studied many things throughout your life. But at some point, if someone is teaching you something, you're always thinking, hey, when am I going to use it and what is this knowledge for? And why is this concept invented? Why is it for? How do things fit together, actually? And for me, the best way of seeing that is with a first-person experience. So that's why I want to show you and give you this first-person experience of how programming feels like and how you can tell a computer what to do and solve real-life problems with it. So maybe you're curious about coding and you heard software engineers have good working conditions and make good money, and maybe you're thinking, maybe I should learn how to program. So by the end of this series, you either are going to find you don't like it and this is not for you, so in that case just like the video, leave a comment and share it with someone who might benefit from it. But hopefully you like it and you think that this is for you and you're motivated now to learn more because you know how things fit together. And of course we are going to have a lot more content to cover here in this channel. So if you are in that category, also subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when new videos come up. So as a quick teaser and to show you what we're going to be doing in this series, I'm here in YouTube and of course I like things very diverse like music and trading and mathematics and whatever. So imagine, of course we have these filters here, but I want to specifically find all the videos which talk about trading. So instead of scrolling endlessly in the page, I'm going to write a quick script to do it. And when I execute this code, the magic happens and we see, okay, but first, a quick disclaimer. Executing unknown code in your browser can be risky and could expose you to hacking if you're not careful. So please never ever copy paste code from the internet without knowing what it's doing. That's why here we'll spend some time understanding what the code is doing and hopefully you won't need to copy paste, you will write it yourself. So let's go. And when I execute this, the magic happens and we see that we only have the videos that talk about trading here and everything else is hidden. And I also have them here on the right so I can click on the links and make a playlist of them. So this is just a quick example, but it will hopefully motivate you to want to learn how a web page is made. What is HTML? What is JavaScript? And how can we combine those to do something like this, where we can manipulate the inner workings of the web page to do what we want. And of course, this is just one example. You could use the same concepts to do things like filtering all your LinkedIn contacts to find recruiters, or go over all your Facebook friends and unfriend all those high school people who you no longer talk to. But I hope this conveys the idea to you and now you're curious and want to learn more. So stay tuned for the next videos and don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified when I upload them.